Hello! Happy Tom Ford Tuesday, where Tuesdays are dedicated to Tom Ford beauty. Today we're keeping things summer focused. Fresh, glowy, summer skin, nice and light. Just the way we like it during this time of year, right? I'm going to be using Bronze Isle, Eye Color Quad, and some other staple Tom Ford products. No bronzer, unfortunately. Bronze Age, which was my favorite, a gorgeous bronzer from Tom Ford. Unfortunately, that's not available anymore. It's been like that for a little while and I'm patiently waiting. But that does not mean we cannot achieve a gorgeous, beautiful summer look from Tom Ford. I'm going to share all those details with you. Let's get into it, shall we? Let's hydrate and begin. Elegance begins when you decide to show up for yourself, every day and in every way. Happy Tom Ford Tuesday, everyone. I hope you have an amazing week. You got this. Let's set the mood with Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. This, I tell you, this is literally summer in a bottle. I love having it in the travel size because this goes to the beach with you very easily. This goes in the purse with you very easily. And yes, you can just change this out, need be. And you put something else in there from Tom Ford that you want. Beautiful packaging, you know, all those details, all those things. It's warm, it's creamy, and it's a little beachy. It just sets the mood. I'm going for that healthy skin, light, easy, fresh, but everything feels really amazing. First thing I'm going to apply is my Hyaluronic Energizing Mist. I have had a couple of questions about Tom Ford skincare, and let me tell you, I want to try Tom Ford skincare so badly. I do, you know this, I'm a Tom Ford girl. But right now, I've been so content and so happy with my current skincare products. Yeah, I'm going to try it at some point. I'll just leave it at that. So that first step in our summer skin is the Hyaluronic Energizing Mist. This adds just a little touch of hydration, gives you just a little refresh, and it feels really good. It's not heavy, and it's not something that you have to sit around and wait for, and it's a nice little refresh. So that has been applied, and I've gently pressed it into the skin. I'm going to follow it up with the shade in Illuminate Primer. This is going to add glow and grip. So I'm going to give this a good shake. Again, summer skin is all about feeling light, feeling comfortable, but we want that nice, healthy glow. Nothing over the top, you know, just want to look good and feel good. So there is my primer. When it comes to summer makeup looks, I like to keep it skin focused. I like when my skin just looks like skin, but you know, we look good, we feel good type of thing. And skin just looks healthy, hydrated, and obviously perfected. I take whatever is left and I do a little pat on the under eye. Got my stilettos out on there, so I don't want to poke myself. I have to get used to having the shape stiletto again. It's been a while. But these are actually from a new brand from Texas. I'll have the video up for this probably tomorrow. These are actually dip powder nails, and I had so much fun creating this set. So I'll have that video up tomorrow. Continuing on the summer base, because again, summer base, summer skin, we want it to be you, light, comfortable, airy, with just, you know, a bit of perfection. Okay, not too much, not too much. So I'm not going to be going in with foundation. I'm actually going to be using just concealer. And this is the Tom Ford Traceless Soft Matte Concealer. This is in the shade 5W. I'll have everything listed in a link down below because it's Tom Ford Tuesday. You know the full face is Tom Ford? Yes. Okay, so with this, I'm going to focus on my darkest area, which is my under eye, because again, this is a concealer. I'm going to apply it to the darkest area first. Let it sit a moment, you know. Now, although this is a soft matte, product. It's that Tom Ford Modern Matte, where you're not looking flat and dull, you're just looking polished and put together. And because of the way that I'm going to be applying this, it's going to be very skin, very just where you need it, just how much you need, just a little bit to perfect and smooth everything. So you feel good, you feel pulled together, you know? So as that sits on the under eye, I'll go in and kind of just spot in a few areas, because this is all that we're going to be using, keeping things nice and comfortable, and just blend it with the finger. That's the best way. Your skin is just going to feel amazing, super comfortable. I want it to feel light. I want it to feel very effortless. Just tuck away the imperfections, but still let me look like me. Nice and easy. I'm going to take my Pinnacle brush from Anisa Beauty and use this to blend on the under eye. You see how great the shape of this is? The triangular shape. And whatever's left, I'll bring it up onto the lid and we'll use that as primer. Yes, I still absolutely love my Tom Ford eye primer. This is amazing. But, you know, less is more, babes. Less is more. And the great thing about this concealer is obviously we can use it all over, but you apply and then you can build it to exactly what you're looking for. So see this first application, it's very light. I'm going to go in with another layer to kind of build it up and really tuck away and put away where it belongs, the darkness on my under eye. And this product does so beautifully and wears really, really beautifully. I have done a dedicated concealer, Tom Ford concealer video if you want to check that out. And I noticed a lot of you have been asking me about the, I think it's a color corrector from Tom Ford. It's like 3 colors. It's not really talked about. I think I'm gonna have to pick that up and we gotta check it out. We gotta see what it's all about because I am, you know, I have heard about it quite a bit and you guys have asked about it quite a bit. So I want to check it out. We're gonna see. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna pick it up and we're gonna see. The thing is, there was just a sale on it and I totally slept on that and now it's sold out. So as soon as I can get my little grubby paws on it, I will, and we will check it out. So anyways, I put in another layer of that and let's blend it. And you'll see that it builds up just a bit how you need it, while not looking over the top, because again, it's summer skin. We want summer skin to look and feel amazing. You're probably like Monique. Anisa Beauty has that concealer brush. That's great. Yeah. It's dirty. I need to wash my brushes. And you guys know that's my favorite sport. Washing my makeup brushes. And oh, did y'all hear about Wayne Goss? I'm just going to say this. I am glad I have the products that I do. And that's it. But I have a feeling that it only gets better from here. He's not done. He can't be. He's just going to have to do it again in a different way. Sometimes starting over is the best thing you can do for yourself. It's hard. Oh my goodness, it's hard. But I admit I got a little emotional listening to him talk about that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please go check out his channel and his video. Skin's feeling pretty good. I am going to go in with a little bit of powder. Going in with Old Faithful. It's not Tom Ford, but it'll be linked down below. And just use that to set my under eye. This is a very skin-focused product, so it very much ties into our summer skin base, yes. But of course I need to set everything and keep it in place, okay? So we don't have any bronzer. Yes, there's Terror and that other one, which are pretty, and I have been able to use them and make them work, but if you're me and darker, where's Bronze Age? That was my jam. Hello, Thomas. What's going on over there? We know you got the budget. Don't play. So in place of actual bronzer, I'm going to go in with my Duo, my Cream Contour Duo. And I'm going to be using my Sigma brushes. These brushes are from the collaboration they did with Kristen Dominique. This is the face contour brush. So I'm going to go into the darker cream contour. I'm going to kind of blend that on my skin first so I get a soft application, okay? And nicely, less is more. It's skin. We're giving skin vibes, but we're bringing on the warmth, okay? So start with less and build up, okay? That's your safest bet with products like this. I like going in with the more stippling motion versus the swiping with certain products because I feel it just looks better, it's softer, it's more diffused, it's easier, and just looks better overall. So I'm just using this to bring back that beautiful warmth that we want on a nice summer skin. We're coming together nicely. Now, I've shared this little concoction, cocktail, if you will, with you before. We're all going with a lipstick, the same one we'll use on the lips for blush. We'll turn it into a cream blush. So this is the shade 100-100. I go ahead and apply this to the back of the hand. I then will go in with a little touch of our primer. I'm going to go in with the angled cheek brush, and we're going to mix. And this turns this into a beautiful, glowy, dreamy cream blush. And give us that monochromatic moment, yes. But it's still soft. And oh, so pretty. I love sharing wearable, realistic looks with you, so you can enjoy your makeup too and inspire you. It doesn't have to be this color in particular, but is there a lipstick that you love so much and you just know it'll look good as a blush? Try it. And you don't have to use this with the primer. You can use it by itself too. It's giving that sun-kissed, been outside all day kind of vibe. You know, when you get a little flush? Yeah. I went back and forth a little bit for highlight. I said, do I want to use Mood Light or do I want to use, what is it called? Peachlight. That's from the newer. This is Peachlight. I don't show this as much love as I should because I'm so in love with Mood Light. Mood Light has been babe. Mood Light, I think I've purchased just as much as Nude Dip. Love this combo. So I'm like, what do I want to use today? I think we'll give Peachlight a chance, a shot. I'm going to mix the two colors. Let's see what we come up with. I tell you, the formulation on these Tom Ford highlighters is so gorgeous. Look at that glow on the skin. I'll take it. I love it. And again, the best part is my skin still looks like skin. It's still giving skin. Yes, yes, absolutely. So even without bronzer, I can still shape and warm up the face. It's all about the placement and keeping things soft and keeping the summer skin in mind. So light layers and building it up to your desired intensity and look. Let's create a eye look using Bronze Isle. This is one of this is from the newest release from Tom Ford, from the summer collection, the Soleil. I really feel like this quad does all the heavy lifting. I feel like you can just create so many looks, one and dones. I feel it's truly summer in a quad. And yes, I know it's not a revolutionary color story, but is it beautiful? Yes. I love how it just plays with the light, the shades, and it gives your eyes instant dimension. So this is a Sigma E35. I'm going in with this shade, just packing that on. I'm going to tap the excess. I'm going to give this a quick wash, literally all over my lid, and then I'll blend it in the crease. I want to just bring some definition and a little wash of color. And it does so beautifully. Sigma E54, let's go into this shade. Ooh, so pretty. I'm going to put this all over the lid. Oh, hello. It looks like a sunrise, sunset Summer on the eyes. So I do the placement with this brush, and then I'm actually going to go back in with the first brush, the nice fluffy diffusing one, and blend it. Kind of soften it up a bit. But before that, I'm going to go into the lightest shade, same brush, and just place this on my inner corner. And just brighten the look up a bit. No extra product. Whatever's left over, we're just going to use it. And blend. I've got two Tom Ford gel eyeliners. One in the shade Cocoa, which is dark brown, and then the other shade 01 Cream, which is a nice brightening shade. What I'm going to do is with the lighter shade, I'm going to place it on the outer portion of my waterline, and then with the dark brown Cocoa shade, I'm going to use that everywhere else and then smudge it a bit. Finish up the eyes with a little bit of mascara. I'm going in with my CHANTECAILLE Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara. Let's finish up the look with lipstick. I'm going to go in with something else too. I just want to emphasize, okay, put emphasis on this shade. This shade just pulls everything together. This again is the shade 100-100. That's what we used as blush. Here she is. Anytime I don't know what I want to do, or I want to reach for a lipstick that I know is just going to go with everything, this is what I reach for. I am going to go over top with a gloss Luxe. This is in the shade Aura. This is one of the lightest shades for the gloss Luxe. I'm going to put this on the back of my hand and just pick up with my WESTMAN Atelier lip brush. You know, I am a lip cocktail girly. I love making and doing lip cocktails, mixing, and just having fun. That's what it's all about. And because why not? I'm extra and I just love the way this smells. I'm going to go in with a little bit more Soleil Blanc. I love sharing looks like this with you that make the most of my Tom Ford collection. Whereas I use a lipstick as a blush, I use my cream contour in a way that works as my bronzer, since I don't have bronzer from Tom Ford anymore. Oh, come on, Bronze Age and beyond. Hello, there should not be just two bronzers in Tom Ford. Ooh. But again, making the best of my Tom Ford products without technically having them all. Now, even with a pared down routine, you can still create a polished and glowing look. That's the beauty of multi-purpose textures and tones. So here is the finished Tom Ford Summer Skin look. Focused on leaving the skin, letting the skin be skin, warm, bronzed, with nice, healthy glow. It's so comfortable and so easy to wear. For any occasion at that. It doesn't have to be just the summer. Thank you for spending another Tom Ford Tuesday with me. And on that note, happy Tom Ford Tuesday, everyone. Let me know what your favorite summertime Tom Ford product is. And if you've got the Bronze Isle eyeshadow quad, what do you think of it? I have been loving it quite a bit. I think this is my 6th, 7th, 8th, 10th look with it. I know, it's only 4 quads, but you see, you can totally just keep going back for more with it. It is such a beautiful wearable eye color quad. But so are majority of Tom Ford eye color quads, if I do say so myself. Again, happy Tom Ford Tuesday, everyone. Take a moment and give today's video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.